Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 5 tips for renting a car and saving money. If you have to rent a car, if you want to rent a car and you want to save some money, these 5 tips will help you rent a great car for a great price. Now let's get right to it. Tip number 1 is look beyond the big brands. Now there may be some big car rental companies wherever you live, and this will differ from one country to the next. But you want to look beyond those companies. And it's not because those companies don't offer great deals. They do offer great deals, but a lot of the money that you're paying when you rent a car from those companies is going into their advertising costs and so forth. If you go look at a smaller company, they will likely be able to give you a better deal because number 1, you get more personal service with the smaller company, and number 2, they're not spending a lot of money in advertisement, so those savings can actually be passed on to you. So look beyond the big brands. You might get a better deal with a big brand or a big company, big car rental company, but I'll tell you right now, you should definitely check out the smaller companies because you'll probably be able to find one that offers you a better deal on the specific car that you want, or even better, if you're flexible with the car that you want, you could probably get a better price if you don't care which specific car that you want. You just want a 4-door car, for instance, you could probably get a better price with a smaller company, okay? Tip number 2 is you want to check online for coupon codes. Now, you want to check online. Now, if you go to a smaller company, they're less likely to have coupon codes. Still check, but they're less likely to have coupon codes. If you go to a bigger company and their prices are slightly higher than the smaller company, but you find a coupon code that reduces the price, then you might be able to get a good deal from the bigger company. So check online for coupon codes is tip number 2. And if you use those coupon codes as a bargaining tool with the bigger companies, you might be able to bring the price down than the smaller companies, okay? So you can use those coupon codes effectively to sort of bring on some competition, okay? Tip number 3 is you want to go far from the airport. If you go close to the airport, the companies know that there's going to be a lot of people that are probably going to be renting cars. So obviously there's a higher demand, so they're going to be bringing up their prices slightly, okay? Or offering you less for the same price. If the price is the same, you might get less bang for your buck. So with that being said, if you go slightly further from the airport, a couple kilometers further from the airport, you're probably going to be able to get a better deal on the car, okay? And it goes hand in hand with tip number 4, which is negotiate. Now, this is especially true if you go further from the airport because there's less demand for car rentals further from the airport, so you can ask for a deal. If they have all of these cars sitting on the lot, okay, they have tons of cars available, that's a signal for you to try and negotiate the price, because that means that if they rent it to you at 20% off, it's better than letting it sit on the lot and not earning any income from them, for them. So tip number 4 is negotiate. And last but not least, tip number 5 is combine the car rental with other services. So for instance, if you're booking a hotel, look into combining the car rental with other services like a hotel or a flight, simply because usually you'll get a discount. You're giving them multiple profits, so you're probably going to be able to get a discount. And if you get a discount on the car rental, you might be able to get, let's say, 10% off of everything, the hotel, the flight, and the car rental together, meaning that you're going to save a ton of money on that trip if you're taking a trip. Even if you're not taking a trip, ask the car rental company if you can combine the car rental with something else to sort of save some money. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 5 tips for renting a car and saving money. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for saving money when you rent a car in the comments section down below, and just general car rental tips as well. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.